Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening Settings now. This is where Control Center options live. Once in Settings, type Control Center, or Gestures, into the search bar to jump straight to relevant menus. If your device uses custom skins like One UI, MIUI, or Oxygen OS, the option may sit under Display or Notifications. Keep that in mind. Make sure you have access to the primary account and developer options disabled. We don't need those for this change. Once you find the Control Center section, read the labels carefully because manufacturers name it differently. For example, Quick Settings, Control Panel, or Edge Panel. Tap through to display the Enable/Disable toggle and any sub-options like Show on Lock Screen or Swipe Down Gesture. Turn off the main toggle to disable the Control Center, and also disable related gestures or edge panels to prevent accidental activation. Make sure to confirm changes if the UI asks for confirmation or a restart. After turning off the toggles, test immediately by swiping the edges and pull-down areas to ensure the Control Center no longer appears. If it still shows, restart the device so system settings reload. That often resolves lingering behavior. If the problem persists, inspect vendor overlays or third-party apps that manage gestures and disable them. One common culprit is an Edge gesture app. If nothing helps, reset the affected settings group in Settings, but avoid a full factory reset unless absolutely necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.